Yeah? Yoke center. Okay, shoot to it. Yep. Yeah?
Diwali on the way and you started this. Is that the reason behind the Diwali?
Well, first of all, a very, very happy Diwali to all the viewers and everybody present here. It's lovely to be here to wish everybody, and also, of course, part of my promotions for my film, which is coming out in December after Diwali. So hopefully, I'll have a reason to celebrate after Diwali as well and end the year on a good note. Hopefully, keeping fingers crossed for a hat trick. This year has been really good for me with Houseful 2 and Bol Bachchan doing really, really well. I hope Khiladi follows and, hopefully breaks the record of the last two ones that released, and looking forward to that. I'm feeling a little lonely right now, like the song. I don't know, I think he's doing his bit of promotion separately, and then we'll be doing the combined promotions a little later on, yeah.
And what are your plans tomorrow,
Diwali is going to be again with the dubbing and the promotions of the film, and of course in the evening we have a few friends parties which I have to attend to. Yeah.
Poster, you look nice Marathi movie.
Thank you. I'm glad the look has worked.
And what movie are you planning to watch more?
What do I say? It's a difficult pick, but this time, I don't think I'll have the time to go and watch either of them immediately. Maybe a little later on.
Which one you
नहीं, मुझे मराठी सीखनी पड़ी, but I think Akshay was a great help क्योंकि वो काफ़ी fluently he speaks मराठी और मेरे काफ़ी सारे डायलॉग्स हैं और जो मेरे डायलॉग्स हैं वो it's a little accented हिंदी with a little Maharashtrian. एंड मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसी कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही हूँ जिसमें आई एम प्लेइंग एन आउट एंड आउट महाराष्ट्रियन इंदू तेंदुलकर नाम है कैरेक्टर का, एंड एज यू कैन सी दैट आई एम वेयरिंग द काश्ता एंड एवरीथिंग, सो इट वाज अ लॉट ऑफ फन. आई एक्चुअली वेंट ऑल आउट फॉर द कैरेक्टर एंड होपफुली इट विल बी हैव अ गुड रिस्पॉन्स. No comments.
No, but the same is happening with Talash and Khiladi.
I am not aware of that.
The producers of Talash
I have no idea. I have no idea.
But if they use their powerful cloud to, kind of be a dominant position.
I don't know about anything of that sort.
Which movie you are looking
No, this is what I keep telling Akshay. तुला सांगितलं ना, चुप बैठने का. That's all I keep telling Akshay.
Asim, which movie you are looking forward for, Son of Sardar or Jab Tak Hai Jaan?
No, like I said, it's very difficult to pick between the two. I don't think I'll be watching either of them because it's going to be hectic with dubbing and promotions of my film. So hopefully once that calms down a little bit, then I can sit down and watch both of them.
Asim, Diwali, will you be flaunting any action scenes with them?
With Akshay around, you can't really, escape from doing a little bit of stunts yourself. So yeah, wait and watch. I've got a little bit of a car chase in the film as well. Yeah, thank you. Happy Diwali, guys.